So from this, actually these two are same. We have just named them separate in a different manner. Now you recall the law of commutativity, which says that this is the same as x or y. X or y and y or x are logically equivalent. So in place of this, we can write this. So we get this. This type of considerations will help you save the extra effort. I mean, it is tempting to write another proof using another truth table for this one, but this is actually a consequence of this. And in mathematics, keep this in mind, this is what we look for. We want to make things simple, not complicated. This is a simplification. Although it's a law of addition, but we have simplified this thing. We have used this. Now you can call this as a lemma and this as a corollary. Do you see that? From this we have proved this with relatively less effort, lesser than forming a truth table and going through all the things again. Right? So that is your law. So that's why I say, see, laws of addition, actually there is only one law. The other one follows from that. Or you may continue to call it laws. So laws of simplification, their proof I leave it to you. You can similarly prove it in a very easy manner. Exactly this is how you are supposed to proceed. And there also, one of the statements can be proved from the other. It's not necessary that we have to prove this first and then derive this. We can prove this first and then derive this also. Same thing. Now finally we come to the main important law. This is rather important. The law of contrapositive. Now its proof involves a lot of statements, right? So x is there, we need y. We need negation of x. We need negation of y, then we need x implies y, then we need negation of y, it's contrapositive, implies negation of x, and finally, since we have space, we may as well write the equivalence of these two statements. Negation of y implies negation of x. And we form our truth table. So although we have, it somewhat looks like the case of proving associative laws. But although we have many columns, rows are still only 4 in number. Because there are 2 independent statements. That's it. So true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Negations will be just the opposite. So this becomes, okay, be careful, okay, don't make a mistake. Whom am I saying this to? I am saying it to myself because in real time you are not here right now. False, in place of false we have truth. For truth we have falsity. F, so T becomes F becomes T.